tight supply, increasing voluntary purchasing, and the likelihood of a net zero emission target boosted the price for Australian carbon credit units to $33.5 a tonne on Thursday, a new record high. Reputech's ACCU spot price assessment, which began in 2018, has already grown 103% over the 2021 calendar year. From $16.52 per tonne at the beginning of January, over the course of 2021, the Australian market outpaced European Union allowances pricing, with the EU ETS prices finishing 77% higher for the year on Tuesday at €57.78. Substantial increases in 2021 were driven by increasing buying from investors and intermediaries, as well as corporate voluntary demand. A tight supply setting in a spot market has resulted from increased contractual demand from the business sector, with fresh issuance put aside to fulfill large bilateral contracts over 100,000 units for both spot and forward delivery. As a result, the reduced level of surplus supply has produced a positive situation for spot prices, with demand continuing to surpass supply even at considerably smaller volumes. The majority of this new issue is likely to be supplied to existing emissions reduction fund, fixed delivery contracts, or held aside to fulfill bigger bilateral contracts, with a minor amount expected to be made available to smaller spot purchasers. The growing impetus for a national net zero emissions goal is also helping to support market pricing. While the real-world impact of a new national target will be minimal unless it is legislated and incorporated into existing policy, the macro environment is difficult to ignore, with sellers becoming increasingly bullish as they take advantage of the positive macro story and tight supply conditions to drive prices higher.